बाजूना एक property है, which is a resort named Flushing Meadows. In 2005.
मासे introduce करतो. Introduce करतो.
My name is Reggie Fernandez. I am the director of Stanford Ceramic Coating Private Limited, a company who later on buys this property. So let me start how it started. In 2005, there was Carl David Holiday Resort Private Limited, a company, two directors, Carl Allen Davis and David William Parker, bought the property in 2005. In 2006, they bought in a director, Krishna Venkatesh. He brought the funds, and at that time, Carl was paid. So Carl resigned as a director, and his name was deleted from the ROC's record as a director. So what remains, who remains is David and Krishna. Now they are running the resort. In fact, Krishna was running the resort, and David was behind helping him. In 2009, they wanted a loan. So no banks were financing them because they had not filed their returns. So they took a loan from a private financer in Bombay, which gave them 4 crore rupees loan in 2009. But the finance company had asked for a power of attorney of Carl, who had already resigned. And Carl knew that Carl gave the power of attorney, saying that he is expecting something more from the loan. So when they got the loan, they never paid Carl anything. So Carl, what he did, he filed a suit against David, Krishna and the company. By that time, Krishna had left. He had some personal issues and he was arrested. David went to England. The resort was shut. Now in that suit, Carl has appointed his own advocate for David and Krishna. And a court receiver was appointed in 2011. But the court receiver never came to the property. Now after 4 years, the finance company did not get the money, so they came. Under auction, they wanted to auction the property. That's when we bought the property. We did the sale deed, we did the mutation, and we renovated the whole place. We were not aware of that case. We leased it out to a Bangalore company. After, in 2016, the court receiver came to the property with the police. So we were out of the property and we handed over the property to the court receiver. And we went and became a party in the court, in the suit. This was in August 2016. We also availed of a loan from LIC after taking the property. LIC gave us a loan only on rent. So the fact that LIC gave us a loan speaks that our title was clear. Now in the same year, 2016, on 8th of December, there was one person named Pramod Srivastava. He comes into the picture. He says he is the director of Carl David Holiday Resort Private Limited. And he shows a resolution saying that David Parker has signed and made him an additional director on 8th of December. And he comes to the court, he says he is the owner of the director of the company and the property belongs to him. And that same resolution is filed with the ROC. Now I was wondering, how did he become a director now? So I went to ROC and asked under RTI. They gave me the resolution. Resolution says 8 December 2016 meeting was held at the resort. How could the meeting be held when the court receiver was there in the property? That is one point. Secondly, I went to immigration department to get me the details of David Parker, because he being a foreigner, he was a UK national. They did not give me because they are not covered under RTI. So through Panjim police, I got an immigration report saying that David Parker left the country in 2015 and never came back. So in 2016, he is showing that the resolution is filed and signed by David Parker. Not only that, ED, Enforcement Directorate, came against Carl, against David and the company for FEMA violations. And they said, this was in 2017, they came in an order, and they said the property to be confiscated. Now confiscating means I am affected. So I went to ED. ED says, no, you will have to go to appellate court, Bombay. We went to appellate court. In the appellate court, after 3 years, a clear verdict was not given. But what was said that Carl is convicted of 9 lakhs, David of 9 lakhs and company 18 lakhs. About my confiscation, they never gave a clear verdict. So I came to High Court of Bombay and Goa and I got a stay on that. Now, Srivastav, I went to ROC to see how is this person become a director. ROC Goa said, he does not have the power to investigate. You need a letter from Ministry of Corporate Affairs. I went to Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Delhi, and I got a letter to this ROC here that he can investigate. He got the letter in April and he has investigated and he has given me a complete report. Complete. This is a high-end forgery. I'll tell you how it is. Not only David Parker and the resolution is fake, Pramod Srivastav went to the extent of getting a DSC, digital signature of Edwin William, who was the additional director of the company. And the form says that he has come in person to sign and give it the DSC, and through that DSC, Pramod Srivastav has become a director. Now ROC went to the extent to find out and found out through immigration that even Edwin Morris was not in the country. Even that form was fake. Not only that, the notary was done on Edwin Morris's form. ROC found out with the notary. It was somewhere in interior of Maharashtra. The notary was shown. They got in touch with them and the notary gave in writing that he has not done the notary, he has not done any verification. So end to end, it is all fraud. Right from beginning to end, and now ED is looking out for them because of their FEMA violations. And Anjuna police station has filed an FIR against Pramod Srivastav and his son Amulya because he also made his son as a director. So now Pramod Srivastav and Amulya Srivastav, they are on the run. Police are looking out for them. And this is a clear case of land grabbing. Everything is crystal clear. Immigration report, ROC report, court report, everything is on government system. So there is nothing, there is no escape for this. So this is one case where end to end people come from outside and grab properties under any extent, they go to any extent to get hold of these properties. So I just want to bring into the notice of you so that the people of Goa are aware that how these properties are being taken by the outsiders. Here, I have got all the copies of here, I'll give you a copy. ROC report says that end to end he has committed forgery.
This is a clear case of a fraud.
Fraud, yes sir.
So, have you filed any police case or something?
Yes, there is an FIR.
FIR is already registered?
Yes sir, yes. FIR is already
Can you give that copy to us?
Yes, 100%.
When it was registered?
Sorry?
When it was registered?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want that copy.
I'll give you a copy. Sir,
So
you
this-
copy card. Yeah.
You're alleging land grabbing. Without the local support, nobody can really do any such type of thing. So, who do you think is involved?
No, this person Srivastav, he filed 2 FIR against me, against my sale date. One in Bombay and one in Goa. Both the FIRs police have closed for no evidence because he has come against my sale date. My sale date is genuine registered. I bought to a finance company. But he is just trying to find out some ways to trap and get clear the other. Back even the case which Carl had filed when the court receiver was there, that case is also been dismissed. Court receiver left, case is dismissed, and I am in the possession of the property.
Now at present it is in your possession?
Yes, sir. Right now it is in my possession.
Now what is the present status of this case now?
Present situation right now is that this person has to be, a legal course will be taking place.
What is the interest of public in you giving this press today? What is the interest that you want? What do you want the public to know?
I want to know, I want to tell the people to know that to what level people go to take property. Now this, can you imagine, he takes someone else's DSE. He has got nothing to do with the company. काहीच ना, काहीच relation with the property. आता तुझी company, it's your company. I am coming and showing my resolution that I am the director. You have appointed me. Your signature is there. I forged your signature. I become the director. Okay? You are not even aware.
This Srivastava is related to some IAS officer.
Yes, sir. Definitely. He is related. That's why without any proof he managed to file 2 FIRs against him. And he has, with force, the police investigated the matter and they have closed it. Today the FIR has been filed against him.
Is this your allegation? Is these all non-Goans?
Yes. See the modus operandi of what they do. Yes.
They are in relation with all these top offices.
Correct.
They are using their good offices and doing all this.
Correct. Otherwise how we can go? This Srivastava, he is not from Goa. He is new to Goa. But he comes to Goa and get into the system and try to take this property. Why do they do that? I'll tell you why do that. Because they feel Goans are little softer. They don't know the law well, and they don't bother to come up against them, and they are little easy type of people and peaceful people.
आम्ही चोर विश्वास दवरता.
चोर विश्वास होता त्या विश्वासाचा फायदा केला लोक. Other means, sir, what I have presented here, I have got all the documents, which is not mine, it is on government record. ROC gave me the report, ED report, ROC report, FIR copy, immigration report. Immigration report kida unta sir.
आल्या असताना भलतंच कोणतरी येतात आपण काय म्हणतो.
कितें कोत्तलो तेंच म्हणटा सर. This is what I am saying, this is what they do. ही FIR कॉपी देता तुमका. Now look at this, sir. ही रेझोल्युशन कॉपी 8 डिसेंबर 2016 तो म्हणटा आपल्याकडे डायरेक्टर केलेले 8 डिसेंबर 2016 एड्रेस इज अंजुना रिसॉर्टाची एड्रेस and this is Belgian report, police report from FRO. It says that David Parker left India in 2015 and never came back and was 16 reservation tabila. So anything and everything they can do, and they think they can get away with it.
So how much property it is?
Sorry?
Property is
How big is
This is 3,700.
And where is it? What did you get it? Where is it?
Chivar. Little near to that petrol pump, where the junction petrol Bidora
In Anjuna.
Anjuna. It's a private property.
How much worth now it is?
Today it will be about 40 crores.
पैशांक फक्त खाता.
Magir. Sir, not only that, besides, this has nothing to do, I've got another topic, I'll hold maybe another conference, maybe another beach time, similar like this. I am from Siolim. Okay? I've got over 5 lakh meters land in Siolim belonging to my ancestors, and that I want to bring it to the press, because how people are coming against me also. Outsiders, they coming against me to hold me, but my documents are registered in 1857, 160 years back, and the copies are also available in archives. For this I'll talk maybe next week, but as for now we are talking of this Anjuna. This is, sir, tell me one thing.
This is your personal case.
Yes, this is because I bought the property.
This is also similar cases with you.
The other thing, only property, sir. But there are, see how this outsiders are forming to come against me, and they are failing. They tried their stunts. Put the point. But this is what I want to bring to the notice, that how these people operate. They are outsiders, and they've got nothing to do with that property. They are not invested any single rupee, but he wants that property. And how simple resolution. Now who will go and find out?
Who has given him this power?
Sorry?
Who had given this power to him? Any
No, nobody has given. He has created the power himself.
How such a person can interfere in such?
That's what I'm saying. He comes, He knows about the property. He knows about the details. There are people in and around who feeds him, who gives him information. Okay? Then information geta. And so now tell me one thing. On what basis can he say that this resolution was signed by David Parker? David Parker is not in the country. Teka kine karu ek resolution copy paste kurta to signature. And you don't even need original. Online file in ROC. And yellow quota. I'm appointed to the director. I'm the director, and the property is mine. Now, only when I got involved into this, because it was my property, I went and found out.
Now he's not been punished in this.
No, he's still at large. This is our system.
आणि किती जणांनी केला असेल?
केला असेल, मग त्यात पण done, sir. This is our modus operandi. You can do one thing, you can do other thing also. So this is what I'm trying to say. It's a clear cut. Today, if FIR is filed, he may get bail, but conviction is 100%. On what basis? There is no way he can escape here. Sogle record, government has a record, immigration has a record, and through unconfirmed sources. I will not confirm this. David Parker, ROC asked Srivastava, show the presence of David Parker in 2018. He could not show. Appellate Court, ED Appellate Court Bombay in 2022 asked him, show the presence of David Parker. He could not show. David Parker is not there anywhere. But he still continues to be the director of that Carl David Resort. How can he be a director? We have not attended even one AGM for 5-6 years. And in major 70% share the Dagvita. If you go to the website of Carl David Resort, Holiday Resort Private Limited. So this is total fraud. Total end to end.
प्रॉडक्टच्या पाठात सगळे पोलीस सगळे पाठात असतात नाही का?
Sogle astal, sir. Sogle astal. Other, tell me one thing. On what basis he could file FIR against me? There was no ground, but he managed. File के लिए FIR देने. Could end किधर आलो? After investigation, the police said there was no evidence. Close case.
इथले भेदी कोण इन्वॉल्व आहेत?
Sir, other there'll be names. Other they now given it may not be right, but there are definitely powerful people who are into.
I mean, some politicians are.
Yes, definitely. Without the help of any known person, a powerful person, it's not possible. And he comes and uses his contacts of his, and they are there to help him. I don't know for reason best.
So what is your demand now? What is your main demand?
Sir, justice has to be prevailed in any case. Okay. So here, what I am saying is that if you have any doubt about what he has created, you can ask me. I will show all clarification. So if there is everything is fraud, so then you have to take a call that how justice has to become.
The court order is still pending. Okay.
एक कोर्ट ऑर्डर झाली गोवा एक माझ्या फावरान येयली ती that court is dismissed. It is my ED has come again. The ED is also in my favor. I got high court order stay on that. But the fines are still pending against them.
ना आता तुझी शिरकता कित्याक तुझी प्रॉपर्टी तुका कित्याक मेवना आता
म्हाका कितें जायना सर वो मनीस प्रमोद श्रीवास्तव म्हाका केला हें दुसऱ्याक कोणें करूंक नाका. Because this is his modus operandi. Not only he, it's a group of people operating. And if through this thing, FIR केला ताका जर अरेस्ट केलो न्हू सगळे भायर सरतले.
ओके.
अरेस्ट सुरू जायना आता.
आता तो आपला ती यूज करता FIR जाले आता थिता FIR. Someone, I'm following it up now with the press. Maybe the police will act. I don't know. That's the reason I say someone has to act.
FIR which date it is filed? FIR
is filed here, sir.
Date?
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, FIR ची कॉपी आहे.
WhatsApp केलं.
ना डेट सांग किती.
Date, sir.
ते कधी
Sir, 11/10/24.
11/10
11 11 11 ऑक्टोबर
ऑक्टोबर केलं
24 ऑक्टोबर